In this video, I will be showing you how to use a TikTok sound as a ringtone and alarm for Android. So you're here because maybe you probably have seen a few videos where you absolutely love the music. So first, launch the TikTok application. When you found a video with the music you like, kindly tap share, copy the link. Once done, exit the application, go to Google web browser, and kindly type TikTok sound downloader. Once it appears, all you need to do is to click the first one here, and then it will take you directly into this page. Just paste the link here and then tap download. You have to wait for a few seconds and then scroll down, go to download MP3. Once done, exit the Google web browser again, go to your contacts, click the two dots here, click edit, scroll down, and look for ringtone. Here it is. Now kindly tap this one, click allow, and then select for files, click allow again. Scroll down to look for the music or sound that you just downloaded. So this is the sound from TikTok. Now you are using this as your ringtone. Go back and save. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. See you again in our next video tutorials.